Last week on Draw Stuff Real Easy, Joseph Hernandez left a message saying, could I show how to draw a cereal packet? So I thought that's a great idea. That's what I shall do. So we're going to start off by drawing a parallelogram. So it comes down and up like that, and then that's going up at the same angle there, and then down there. And that is going to be the front face of our cereal packet. And then we want another parallelogram. This is a long thin one that's going to be going like that. So those two are parallel, and these two want to be parallel, going like that. And then we need one more parallelogram, which is going to be across the top, which is going to be the box lid. And that is basically our box sitting on the table waiting for breakfast. I'm going to make that just slightly wider, I think, just to kind of fit everything in. Now we're going to need the top of the box. We need the flap like that, but it has an extra kind of little bit like that, doesn't it, which tucks in on the top. And also these are kind of just slightly shorter than the whole width of the box. Now this is going to be a packet of cornflakes, so we want to have a bowl down here at the front like that with some cornflakes in. And we're going to need the cornflakes chicken. So, which, while I was looking at this, I thought, wow, that is such a great design. So this should be coming out on Tuesday, this video. So on Thursday, the next video will be how to draw the cornflakes chicken, because I think it's a great design. And we need to do that and that. And we want to come down in a curve straight down there and kind of like that, so it's slightly more curved like that. And then we need to write Kellogg's like that in the classic Kellogg's kind of way. And you want C-O-R-N, and this lettering is going to be following that line as well, so these lines will be parallel. And that wants to say flakes, cornflakes. So this is a slightly smaller lettering to be able to fit the longer word in. And then we're going to get cornflakes across there, and we're going to get a chicken up there, which you're not going to see terribly well, and Kellogg's, something like that. And we're going to get Kellogg's again there, and cornflakes. And these are, again, going to have to fit in these parallel lines all the way down here. I'm going to have parallel lines coming down there for kind of an information box, which might have little images of corn on there or something, and then maybe another bowl down there like that. So let's start at the top here. I'm going to go all the way along like that, and then here I'm going to just come forward slightly and across, and then that little blip for that fold in the top of the cornflakes packet there, and then that will come to there. This is going to be going just slightly underneath there, and then we can come all the way down to the bottom, and we can come all the way down to the bottom here too, and we can come all the way down to the bottom there as well, and join them up like that. There we go. And then we're also going to want to have a line across there, that's the fold across the top. And I'm not going to join them up at the corner here to make it too kind of hard, as it were. And then we're going to bring the chicken in, and I'm going to draw the bowl, which is going to come around like that. So next week, I'm going to show you how to draw an open packet of cereal. So I'm really busy at the moment, so I can only do 2 videos this week. So this is going to be Tuesday and Thursday this week, Tuesday and Thursday next week. So here's the milk, and then those are all the cornflakes kind of floating in it. And we're going to want to have our beak going cock-a-doodle-doo, wakey, 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 come and eat your cornflakes. And that's going to be the comb on top of its head, and then this, is it called a wattle? I'm not sure. I think it might be called a wattle. And so I'm just going to put in here corn flakes, And again, we've got a chicken, and we can do something like that. And then it's Kellogg's. But here we need to make this Kellogg's look a bit more like the real thing. So this is going up and back like that. And two G's and an S with an apostrophe, because they are the cornflakes of Kellogg's. So it's a possessive thing going on there. So now we need the C coming around like that, and an O, and an R, go up like that and around and down, and then the N, we're just going to squeeze that in just about, I think, and then we can do, yeah, good, and then I can fill all these in. And then we need to do the word flakes. Oh, I'm having to squeeze this in a lot. Good. And we're probably going to have these little kind of things that come down there telling you what vitamins are involved. And then again, we need to have Kellogg's and corn flakes. And again, we need a bowl down here like that. And then we can draw in those cereals. And then we can draw in this kind of information panel. And we probably got like a corn there. And so maybe a little corn thing. And I don't know, maybe another little corn thing there. And again, we need some text, which will be going parallel again. And again, I think we got some extra little bits down here, and maybe some kind of logo flash thing going on there, and draw the table in the background. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dried, then you can erase all those pencil lines. And to put it firmly on the table, I'm going to draw some shadow like that. And maybe we could make these cornflakes a bit shaded as well, like that. And maybe a bit of shadow on the bowl like that, and maybe a little bit of shadow on the bowl there. I think that's all the drawing that I'm going to add, so you can add some colour, of course, and I think that's pretty much how I am going to leave it. So there you go, how to draw a cereal packet real easy.
Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.